Quad Cities. The current time is 6:44 a.m. Central Daylight Time. The following is a summary of watches, warnings, and advisories in effect. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 a.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Henry, Rock Island, and Whiteside, and the following counties in Iowa: Clinton, Muscatine, and Scott. A tornado warning remains in effect until 7 a.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Rock Island and Whiteside, and Scott, Iowa. The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Henry County, Rock Island County, Whiteside County, Clinton County, Northern Muscatine County, Scott County until 7:15 a.m. At 6:14 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Delmer to near Calamus to near Wilton, moving east at 60 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Davenport, Moline, Rock Island, Bettendorf, Clinton, Muscatine, East Moline, Sterling, Kewanee, Rock Falls, Morrison, Cambridge, Durant, Silvis, Geneseo, Eldridge, DeWitt, Milan, Kelowna, and Comanche. This includes the following highways: Interstate 74 in Iowa between mile markers 1 and 5. Interstate 80 in Iowa between mile markers 279 and 306. Interstate 80 in Illinois between mile markers 1 and 35. Interstate 74 in Illinois between mile markers 2 and 3. Interstate 88 between mile markers 1 and 43. Interstate 280 between mile markers 1 and 18. This is a dangerous situation. These storms are producing widespread wind damage across eastern Iowa. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The tornado warning for northeastern Scott County is canceled. The tornadic thunderstorm which prompted the warning has moved out of the warned area, therefore the warning has been canceled. A tornado warning remains in effect until 7 a.m. for northeastern Rock Island and central Whiteside counties. At 6:45 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Garden Plain, or 8 miles southeast of Clinton, moving east at 65 miles an hour. Expected hazards include tornado. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Morrison, Prophetstown, and Linden around 6:55 a.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Den Rock, Whiteside County Fairgrounds, Malvern, Newton Corners, Fairton, Hamilton Corners, Unionville, Portland Corners, White Pigeon, and Round Grove. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning remains in effect until 7 a.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Rock Island and Whiteside. You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio Station WXG-73 in the Quad Cities.